Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video we are going to talk a very short topic on fillets. Why to use fillets? Okay, and when to use. So for this type of question I have one answer. We are using fillets for reducing the sharp corner, and also sharp corners are there to raise the stress levels. Okay, so I am going to do the study. One study is without fillet, second study is less fillet, means smaller fillet is there, radius 10, and third one is the major fillet, which is having the 20 radius fillet. Okay, so these three comparison we are going to see. I have also posted about it, but now I want to make you guys understand how to apply the boundary condition, how to apply the loads, and how to see the results. That's what I am going to tell you, because it's a very basic and you have to understand that how to do that. Okay, so first of all I am going to enable the Solidworks add-in and Solidworks simulation. Okay, once I unlock this simulation tab, there is a static one which I've already done. So what I have done, just understood, the same material I have applied on the three. Okay, the boundary condition and the material will be same for all three iterations, right? So first one is the fixed point. Okay, this is cantilever type, and I have applied the force on this face, 5000 Newton on the minus side because it's downward, and the mesh quality, the mesh is the same, is a medium, not a coarse, not a fine, but it's a medium quality mesh, and the same mesh I have applied on the 2 and 3 iteration. Okay, so in this I am going to directly show you the results. Let's say this is the result. Okay, now what I have done, in the stress contour I have applied the yield strength. Okay, in the scale. Okay, so in the contour you can see there is a larger stress concentration zone is there, and also you can see this area. If you want to look closely, then what you can do, you can just go to the chart option and the setting, and that you can go to discrete, and then you can see the stress levels. Okay, so that's how you can see. And also I am going to do now on the lace fillet having the, see, the stress level is less comparatively, right? So let's say I'm going to available the discrete. Now if you go to the without fillet, okay, and this is the, okay, now good. What I will do, I will do static, and yeah, correct. Better I will show you in the, I will open the paint. This is the lace fillet, this is the without fillet. Okay, there you can see, you can change the true scale, user define 0. I don't want deform shape right now. I will hide this also. Okay, fine, no issue. And third one is a major fillet. In major fillet we applied the same boundary conditions, and then you can see, let's apply the discrete. Okay, it's better. So if you compare three of them, the larger stress concentration area will be in the no fillet zone. Okay, so there is no fillet, so it will start from this corner cracking, and in the fillet zone it will be start distributing the stress all over the area. Okay, the stress concentration will be less, and stress distribution also be very good in this case. right? So in the same, like in the larger fillet, there will be less stress concentration on whole area, and the stress distribution will be good. Also, you can recheck with your products as well, without fillet and with fillet. There might be cases, in some cases, like the fillet will play the very major role in the fatigue life. Okay, so that is the case. And also in future we will do the fatigue analysis simulation on the same these cantilevers, so that we will see in the next videos. So till then, keep sharing, keep learning. Thank you so much.